Do you know what I fancy right now? I want a triple fried egg butty with chili sauce and chutney.
Me too. I want a triple fried egg sandwich with
Chili sauce and chutney.
You what?
It's a state of the art, Sarnie.
It's the state of the floor I'm worried about.
I feel like I'm having a baby.
The trouble is you've got to eat it before the bread dissolves.
All the ingredients are wrong. The fried eggs, the chutney, the chili sauce, all wrong. But put them together, and somehow it works. It becomes right. This sandwich lister is you.
Welcome to Binging with Bear. Today in my filthy kitchen, we're going to be making a cross between food and bowel surgery. A triple fried egg sandwich with chili sauce and chutney from Red Dwarf, which from what I've heard is actually quite nice. For this we will require 3 slices of bread, 3 eggs, chili sauce. I recommend the piri piri Nando's with garlic. The garlic and the lemon will really just give it a nice good kick. But you know, any chili sauce will do. Mango chutney, obviously, salted butter, black pepper, some MSG for good measure, tiny bit of basil to give it a nice good kick, and some good old lard to fry with. Using lard, obviously, you never want to use vegetable oil. And while that's getting to temperature on full blast, we'll toast our bread. What you do is when you get it nice and hot, then we put our eggs in. While waiting for the bottom to solidify, what we'll do is put a tiny amount of MSG on all of them, some black pepper, a little bit of basil, and now that we've got them solidified, turn it down to low, cover them. What we want to do is we want to get them thoroughly cooked through, because if you have these runny, the sandwich is just going to be a mess. Now we're just going to let them fry for about 6 minutes. What do you know? Our toast is ready. Okay, well, while we're waiting for our eggs to cook, now is the perfect time. I'm going to butter 2 of them. Generally, if you want to do this well, make sure you take the butter out of the fridge before you start, an hour or so before you butter it. Otherwise, you're going to have problems. It's mango time. Firstly, let's just have a little bit of a taste. Ooh, dear lolly! That's some good chutney. Just spread it on, like you were making marmalade sandwiches or something. Maybe a tiny bit more on this one. The key is to make sure they've got a thoroughly good amount, but not so much that it's just gonna, well, go everywhere. While on that, let's take a look and see how our eggs are doing. Beautiful. Turn them off. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cut one of these eggs in half. I'd say this one. Lovely. Now we have 2 eggs and two halves of an egg. Now we can assemble. First what we do, take 1 egg, put it on the bottom. 1/2 egg, put it on the bottom. Get out some chili sauce. Don't be shy. Just give it a nice good covering. Yep, that's good. Take your plain bit of toast that we didn't butter or anything at all. Put that on there. That should absorb most of the goodness. And then we do the second layer. This time, cover the bottom part in chili sauce. Nice good dollop there. One down. Give it a nice good press. And we're not going to be cutting it because in the show they did not. Okay, now the moment of truth. Here we go. I feel like I'm having a baby. If I redid this, I probably would have used thinner slices of bread. But no word of a lie, this is actually quite good. I'd say I'll give this a good 4.5 stars. Now, let's see if I'm having twins. Christ, the more I eat this, the more nicer it becomes.